Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Kent C-4 carpet extractor. In this overview, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. A couple of things we want to check out before operating the machine. First, we're going to take a look right here at your power cord. You want to make sure that your power cord is not damaged in any way. You also want to take a look at your plug. You want to make sure that it's not burnt and you have your ground plug still attached to it. Okay, let's take a look at the handle assembly. Right here is your handle adjustment lever. You want to make sure that that works and is not broken. Up here is your circuit breaker for your brush. You want to make sure that that's not damaged or tripped. Next to that is your hand tool on and off. If you're using a hand tool, you want to make sure that that operates. Up here is your suction on and off switch. You want to make sure that that operates and is not damaged. And right here is your spray and brush trigger. You want to make sure that that is not damaged in any way. Taking a look at the back side of the machine here, we're going to look at your hoses. You've got two suction hoses right here. You want to make sure there's no holes or tears in those. We're going to take a look at your quick connect right here. You want to make sure that that is in good working order. Make sure that the hose is not broken or kinked. We're also going to take a look at the solution drain hose right here too. You want to make sure that that doesn't have any holes or it's leaking. Now go ahead and take a look at your wheels. You want to make sure that those are not damaged in any way. Flipping the machine on its back, a few things we want to check out. Right here is your brush roll. You want to make sure that it's free of debris and it's not worn. Underneath the brush roll are two spray jets. You want to make sure that they're not clogged or damaged. And right here is your shoe where you get your suction. You want to make sure that that is not clogged. Now we're going to take a look at your tanks. Right here is the recovery tank lid. Go ahead and remove the handle. Now what you want to look at is you want to make sure that your screen is free and clear of debris. And you want to make sure that your gasket is in good working order or you're going to lose suction. Blue tank right here is the recovery tank. This is where your dirty water goes. You want to make sure that that is cleaned out. This bottom tank right here is your solution tank. Right here is the fill port where you put your water. Inside is a little mesh filter. You want to make sure that that is free and clear of debris and no holes in it. And that about wraps it up for this machine. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Remember to always stay safe, and thanks for watching.